So the big meeting took place earlier this week. The JFF and Craig Butler and the entire nation is now happy and hopeful that Leon Bailey will soon don the colors of the reggae boys and represent Jamaica. Everybody's excited, except the Maverick. Based on what I have heard Craig Butler saying subsequently, I don't think Leon Bailey will play for Jamaica anytime soon. And look, me rate Craig Butler. But when the man gone as far as to suggest or to tell the JFF that they should play 4-3-3, me feel him gone too far. It cannot be that an agent or a father or a guardian can be telling the national coach what formation to play, even if it's Lionel Messi him have as the prize. Can you imagine? If I was Theodore Tapper Whitmore and an agent or a guardian want to tell me which formation to play, would I take up my football? Yes, would I take a free kick? I would have take a free kick. Right now, if you ask me, I would urge head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore and the JFF to continue with the rebuilding process. Proceed with business as usual and forget about Leon Bailey for the time being. When the baller is ready to play for Jamaica, the baller himself will come and play for Jamaica. Let us proceed business as usual. They have a thing to say, nothing ever happened before it's time. And right now it's not time yet for Leon Bailey play for Jamaica. May I show you how me think the JFF and coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore must deal with this Leon Bailey situation. Yeah, man, I have a thing named wait and see. Yeah, just get about things, yeah. Wait. See, yeah, you ready now, my boss? You ready now, yeah.